How to fix Instagram not opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not opening on Android phone. First then just open settings and then click apps and then apps again. Now click Instagram, then just click permissions here and check if all of those just allow all of those here and then go back to data usage, and maybe you will find this one here like that. Just enable them and go back and go to storage, and here click clear cache and click for stop here. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and clear data, then restart your phone, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.